Sea Falls, Laos. Famous for its stunning turquoise pools surrounded by lush jungle. Batara Gorge Waterfall, Lebanon. A breathtaking waterfall that plunges through a giant natural limestone sinkhole. Tumpak Suwu Waterfall, Indonesia. Nicknamed the Thousand Waterfalls for its spectacular curtain-like cascade. Erawan Falls, Thailand. A 7-tiered waterfall with crystal-clear emerald pools, perfect for swimming. Mula Fossa Waterfall, Faroe Islands. A dramatic waterfall cascading directly into the Atlantic Ocean, beside a picturesque village. Tinago Falls, Philippines. Meaning, hidden falls, this enchanting waterfall is surrounded by dense rainforest. Sendang Gile Waterfall, Indonesia. A hidden tropical paradise at the foot of Mount Rinjani on Lombok Island. Lufraburi Waterfall, Iceland. A magical waterfall concealed inside a narrow canyon, often overlooked by visitors. Book now with an award-winning travel company.